In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spotlight on Microsoft Teams, a nifty feature that can be incredibly useful during your meetings. Spotlighting allows you to highlight a particular participant's video feed as the main video for all attendees to see and focus on. This is particularly beneficial when you have a key speaker or when someone is presenting important content. Let's dive into how you can easily use this feature. To begin, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop and either join an ongoing meeting or start a new one. Once you're in the meeting, you need to go to the participant list, which you can find by clicking on the participants icon, usually situated on the toolbar. This is where you'll see everyone who's attending the meeting. It's important to have a clear view here so that you can easily manage who to spotlight. Now, navigate through the list to find the person you want to spotlight. It could be anyone, including yourself if you're the speaker. Once you've located them, hover over their name. You'll notice a few options pop up. Click on the three dots that appear next to their name. This is essentially the More Options menu that allows us to delve into some of the specialized functions Microsoft Teams has to offer. Among these options, you should see one that says Spotlight. Go ahead and click on that. Instantly, their video feed will be pushed to center stage and brought into focus for everybody attending the meeting. It may take a moment for everyone to see the change, but it should happen smoothly. If you want to stop spotlighting that individual for any reason, the process is just as straightforward. Click on those three dots next to their name again and select Spotlight once more. This effectively removes the spotlight, returning the video view to the typical gallery setup. A pro tip here: if you're hosting a meeting with other presenters or speakers, you can use this same menu to switch between different participants as needed. This ensures that your audience can always have a clear and uninterrupted view of whoever is speaking. Hopefully, you now feel confident using the Spotlight feature in Microsoft Teams. It's a really handy tool to have under your belt, especially if you're involved in organizing and coordinating large meetings. So next time you're hosting or participating in a meeting, remember how spotlighting can enhance your presentation and make your meetings more dynamic and engaging for everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our channel for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Teams and other tools to their full potential.